Welcome to Has Academy channel. This video is in continuation with our yoga series. You can actually see the links in the description box below, the ones which have already been posted. And then today we are going to be talking about the second limb. But before that, click on the subscribe button so that you are getting regular updates from us. And in the second limb of yoga is nothing but niyamas. The PANCHA NIYAMAS are the things which we should be doing. They are the do's of life. So let us go into the PANCHA NIYAMAS. The first niyama is Saucha. Saucha means cleanliness. And the second one is Santosha. Santosha is happiness or contentment. And the third one is the Tapas. Tapas is discipline, knowing what to do, how to do and when to do. And the fourth one is Swadhyaya. Swadhyaya means study of oneself, which is you need to start knowing about yourself. And the fifth one is Atman Prasadanam, which means gratitude to the divine self. When we are able to follow these 5 things, namely Saucha, that is cleanliness, Santosha meaning contentment, Tapas, which is discipline, Swadhyaya means study of oneself, and Atma Prasadanam, which means gratitude towards the divine. When we are able to follow these 5 things, that is what has to be done in our life. This is going to be like a value creation for our future generation also, wherein you are going to be seen as a role model by people around you. And this is going to give you the clarity and direction to take forward in your life with utmost confidence and great satisfaction. I hope today's video had a key learning for you. Post in the comment section below what is your key learning from today's video. Also, like, share and subscribe for our channel so that you will be getting regular updates from us. Wishing you happiness and success. This is Dr. Poorani, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring and counseling. And we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.